Hey everyone, this is Sean with Pew Pew Tactical, and today we're doing a field strip and reassembly of the FN Five-seveN. First, push the magazine release and remove the magazine. Next, push up on the slide stop while pulling the slide to the rear to lock it into place. Now, physically and visually inspect the chamber to make sure that it's empty. Go ahead and release the slide. From here, you need to pull back the slide while pushing back on the takedown lever. You may push back on the takedown lever to here and think that that's enough pressure, but it isn't. You need to push it very hard back to the rear, then release the slide, and it will separate by coming forward and straight up. Now, compress the lug to remove the barrel and spring. That's the takedown. Let's put it back together. Insert the barrel through the front of the slide and compress the spring so that the barrel seats in the slide. Next, you don't need to line up the tabs quite so much as you do with other firearms, but drop the lug into place and make sure that you catch these tabs and line them up with the slide. Now, pull the gun to the rear, push the slide stop up, and lock the slide into place. I'm going to release the slide, and in order to conduct a function test, you have to insert the magazine. So again, we know that this is an empty firearm. We're going to press the trigger, pull the slide back just enough to recock it, and then let the trigger out again to establish reset. Okay, this firearm is functioning fine. This has been the field strip and reassembly of the FN Five-seveN. For information on this firearm and more like it, head over to pewpewtactical.com.